Welcome back to another. No, it's on August 16th. That's the sleepover. Guys, welcome back to another bowling video. Today it's glow in the dark. I'll be going first, as you guys know. If you haven't watched the other video, you should have. 5 pins on the first one. Hold on, don't pick them up yet. Remember, I can get a spare, and that's 10 points. Don't pick them up. Don't pick them up. I'm gonna get a spare. Okay, that's a spare. I got 10 points.
Now pick them up.
Yeah, now. I got 10 points. We each get 4 bowls. No, 3 in the back. 3 in the back. 2 in the front.
I know.
Partner! Okay, I'm at 10 points right now.
Wait. By the way,
We're doing two batches.
By the way, if you see,
No, it's fine.
they're actually color changing. So.
Go. Move out of the way. Birdie. Go.
Why does Birdie always have to come in my face and get me?
Oh, I could get a spare. No, that was by me. No. It doesn't count. Can somebody move the pins out of the way so I don't hit a ball? Hit the pin. Like, just clear them out of the way.
Like kind of like a
There.
real.
Yeah, like a real one. We'll keep doing that. 20.
We're not gonna keep. Do you want to keep score?
Yeah. Next video of bowling is open bowling.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna keep bowling.
Yeah. By the way, this is on the floor.
Everybody will
So we
get
have to
3
put our face
pens.
down.
Everybody will get 3 pens for open bowling. Since we have, oh wait, no. Everybody will get 2 pens for open bowling.
Bird, stop.
Wait, no, wait. You gotta pick what you want to do on open board. Like you can do a
Hold on, where's the
8-10.
ball?
It's over here.
I'm at 20 right now.
You can do an 8-10, and that costs 30 points.
Birdie, you can't get out. Not yet. The mattress people are about to come.
Is that?
Strike! That's 20 points. 20 points.
If you hit a 7-10, that's
40.
Wait, you can hit a 7-10 spare.
No, yeah, good. 3 in the back. I have 2 more bowls. I'm at 40
The
points.
idea of what made a 7-10 was because the
8-10.
8-10, yeah.
Strike! 60 points.
They all went green when you hit them.
Now they're just pink again.
I'm at 60 points.
It's under the bed.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I know, I got it. If you
Right here.
Okay. There. Here. Parker, you kick it more.
My leg's not long enough.
Got it. You got it, Sav? Good job. I'm at 60 points and I have 1 more bowl.
I saw how you did it, sir. If you get a 7-10, like it.
Okay. Move out the way. Move out the way.
Wait, you have 1 more.
Move it out the way. No, move 1 pin out the way.
Hey, hit a 7-10. Wait,
Can't.
there's no 7
Yeah.
10. We'll call it a.
Okay, 1, 2, 3,
We'll call
4.
it a 4-10.
Okay, I got 64 points. Parker, you're up. I got 64 points.
In the last video, I did not do good.
No, you got 0 points. I
I'm
got.
gonna use the jiggle ball.
No, back up more. Back up more.
I can.
You have to be behind the fan.
Okay, there.
Parker,
Go.
we have to move him out the way quick. Move.
Give me the ball.
He's at 3.
Jiggle ball.
Nope. 3
That's
points.
better than last time, though.
Pick him up. No. Put the new ones in. Okay. Second bowl. Back up. Plan. Oh, pick it up.
You're so worried.
Hey.
We're at, Parker's at 4 points. No, out of the way. Parker's at what?
Where did he come out?
The mattress.
Oh, okay. They gotta go home in a minute, and you gotta
For
clean
what?
up out here. They have to eat dinner.
Okay.
Wait, we have to finish the video.
We're gonna do open bowling too.
Yeah.
Video of open bowling. And then I was gonna make a video. I was like, come back after dinner. Come back
Yeah.
after me. Okay. Parker,
Here,
it's,
me too.
yeah, you come back too. Okay. This is your second bowl from second round. You're up. Okay. She got 1, 2, 3, 4 more.
No, 5.
You got 4 more.
Wait, remember at the beginning I hit 1 and then. Guys.
Oh yeah, I gave you 5. Either way. Oh wait, this is getting way to the left. Parker, grab the ball.
Guys,
Parker is at 8 right now, and it's his 3rd round.
I just smelled my
What?
hands.
Eat dinner really quick, Parker.
Yeah, we'll try. I'll just scarf it up. How about that?
Okay. He missed his first round.
I don't know if I'm gonna
Guys,
get
I'm
straight.
the
Yeah.
littlest.
It would be
I'm
spare.
the littlest song and I got it.
You got it?
It wasn't that hard.
Oh, we're not going to make open bowling because I want you guys to eat your dinner. We'll make the open bowling after.
He actually touched it.
Okay, Parker's 4th round now. You have 4 more bowls.
And then I get
20, 20. Oh!
This will be a spare if I get it.
Move out of the way, move out of the way, move out of the
Move
way,
the
Sammy.
pins. Move the pins.
You're at 13, Parker. You need to spin.
Sorry guys, we got it. It's at fast mode.
That
Sorry, no.
that other one.
Okay, we're gonna put on fast mode now.
Go.
Because the pin, what it can do is
I've already gave you 5. Okay.
spare.
So that's
That's 10.
5 more.
That. Oh yeah.
Because I already gave you 5. Okay, pick them up.
I'll get the ball.
Parker, it's your last round and you're at 18.
And then
I'm
it's
gonna
my
do
turn.
banana bowl.
You cannot win, but you can get second.
Yeah, I know.
Grab the pin behind you.
Wait, what if I get 2 strikes?
You can't because you only have 1 more round of bowling.
Come.
I know. I can get spare though.
Go!
Okay, that's 1. You want to move it out of the way, Seth?
Because what can happen is if I hit it.
If you hit the pin, it will mess
Here,
it all
catch
up.
it. Okay, catch it.
He did not touch
Oh,
it.
what
How
a hit.
could he? How?
No! Guys, there was just a diving catch if you guys are watching the game.
That
Blue
would be a
Jays.
diamond player.
I don't know.
And
Okay. Parker got 20 points. Now let's see what Savvy can get.
They can't watch the game if they're watching YouTube.
Oh, true. Never mind. If you guys are watching the highlights of the Blue Jays versus,
you're not watching this.
yeah, it was just a diving catch.
Yeah, they barely.
Savvy, you're up.
You guys are the ones.
Savvy, you're up. Savvy, you're up.
Give me the ball. Now. Okay, I catched it.
I just got a good slap on Parker. Back up. You have to back up a little more, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
That doesn't count, right?
You have to put it up.
Oh, wait, that was 6.
Sorry, guys.
No, don't pick him up. Don't pick him up. You have 1 more. Stop. Stop, Parker.
Okay.
Go again.
That makes it harder.
Go.
I can't grab it.
A Twisted Tea ad is on right now. Please don't spare it. To wait, she was way
She already
too
got
close.
Hey, yeah. That's down a point. Every time you're too close, it goes down a point.
Cause you have to be back here, Seth.
You have to be behind the fan.
How about I keep
No, Savvy.
Seth, behind that fan, the pole thing. Oh, this? Yeah, we have to be behind.
Okay, your
Not
second bowl.
behind it.
Your
Yeah.
second bowl.
Like
Or else it's minus a point.
yeah, you got minus a point.
Oh wait, no, Savvy's only at reset. Savvy's at how much did she just get? 5?
She's at 5. Remember she minus the point.
Yeah, I gave her. Oh yeah, 4. Oh, camera knock over. Camera knock over. Parker add 4. No, add 3. Add 3. Add 3. Add 3.
So 8.
Yeah, because she remember she had to go minus down.
Yeah.
Here. Here.
This one.
Behind the fan, or else it's minus.
I'm watching carefully.
This one.
Yes.
Yeah.
But that's fan too.
Doesn't mind that. don't add anything, Parker.
I feel like she was behind the line. I'm gonna check.
No, you know they're just seeing your leg. Go.
She cannot go past this side circle part. She
Okay, Savvy, your third
I'm
turn.
doing this.
Savvy, your third turn. How much are we at? 10
Hey,
minutes.
pass it. Hey.
Home run. Oh, off the wall. And that was the Blue Jays. Come on.
Okay, ready? Set.
Oh, that's 4. Or add 4, Park.
Actually, that is.
Add 4, Parker.
I'll move them.
No, that's 3. Good.
Let's just put them over here.
I'm checking closely if she
Oh my
crosses
gosh.
the line. I'm checking closely if she crosses the line.
That was a bomb.
Hey, Birdie. Oh, good thing it was only a double,
Yeah.
not triple.
No, we
double.
wanted a double. The Blue Jays are hitting.
No, it's not. What
Yeah, the Blue Jays are hitting. Okay. It's your 4th round, and you're at 12.
This one?
Last round. No, 2 more rounds. Parker, she's coming for you. You only got 25. Hold on, not yet. You only got
The
25.
only way she can catch up is
So it is.
Alright.
Cool.
the only way she can catch up is a
Go.
strike. She's past the line.
You're past the line. You're past the line. You're past the line. Back up.
Minus.
No, she
No,
was. She
I didn't.
didn't throw it.
Yeah, you're supposed to throw it.
Good.
I'm watching closely. If she like steps past it, like it's there.
Go. Add 3, 4. Add 4. What's she at?
16.
16. Here.
It's hard to make that.
This is really hard to do.
Because that way.
It's a 1-6. You hit the camera.
You guys.
You're at
I want to
16.
see what it was like. Like this.
Wait, that was your last pinch, right?
No, she has 1 more. She needs to win. She needs a spare or a strike to win.
By the way, guys,
She just hits this
here,
one.
if you haven't seen this, I got my stitches out today.
They saw it in
Not today.
I mean, a different day.
On our fort, they saw it.
Yeah. They
Okay,
did, but
Savvy,
they
it's
saw
your
my
last
stitches.
round.
They saw my stitches.
Remember, he broke his leg, guys.
Oh yeah, he broke his leg. Guys, she has 1 more round. She needs a spare or a strike to win.
And
Or get
forget
second.
about that
To
broken
get
leg.
second.
It's not true.
Minus a point. Minus a point.
Minus a point.
So that's only 2 points. Only 2 points. You're across the line.
Wait, and then I minus one.
I didn't
No.
know.
No.
I didn't know.
Well, we're not going to tell you. We're not going to tell you because we want you to get minus a point. Okay, so you need to knock this down to tie. You need to knock these all down to tie. Make sure you're behind. Parker, go check. Go check.
That's safe. That's safe. Ready?
Go. And our places are Parker and, Savvy in 3rd. No, don't. Savvy in 3rd. Parker in 2nd. And me in 1st. Stay tuned for open bowling and then autograph show.
We might